Hello, I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Trucks here in McKinney, Texas. I'm the branch sales manager. Before we go ahead, be sure to subscribe. Click the link below so that way you get all current updates on our current inventory. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 2024 Isuzu NPR HD Crew Cab with an open landscape body. I'm going to cover a few key features on the cab and then we're going to move to the body. First thing I want to talk about is the fact that the Isuzu N Series is a perfect partner for your landscape team. Many reasons why. Firstly is the maneuverability. This is a great truck for those congested communities, tight city streets, parking lots, whatever. The turn radius on these things is phenomenal. It is actually industry leading. You actually have the cab on the front axle that gives you that great maneuverability. You also have increased visibility not having that front end. You actually have a line of sight from 8 feet from your driver to the ground, which a conventional truck is twice that. Let's take a few looks on the inside. In the back, you have this bench seat, which actually seats 4. As you can see, it's very roomy and actually has storage underneath the bench seat as well. Let's take a look on the inside of the front. In the front, you have seating for 3. You have the captain's chair and a bench. On this bench, the middle actually folds down to a little workstation for you. This truck comes standard with automatic locks and windows. This truck has the feature of the remote side mirrors. And we also have the upgraded 7-inch touchscreen with backup camera. This touchscreen actually has Apple CarPlay as well, so you can just plug and play, get your maps put up on there, and make you more efficient going from stop to stop. This is a great partner. It has all the creature features, and it's going to be a great workhorse for you. Now let's take a look at the body. As I mentioned, this is an open landscape. This is actually made by Wilro, who we are a distributor for. A few key features that you'll see is that this is actually an overall length of 19 feet, which is a 14-foot flat and a 5-foot gradual taper leading into the split dovetails. It's increased gradual taper gives you a better angle of entry, driving your mowers up into the back. You also see that it is textured for better traction. Moving along on this side, you'll see that both sides actually fold down, which is great for any kind of side loading you may need. There are 4 D-rings located, 2 in the back and 2 in the front for any kind of straps you will need to secure your mowers. On the passenger side, you do have weed eater racks, and it will hold 3. Up front, on the passenger side, you do have a storage facility for your water cooler, and on the driver's side, you have your shovels, rakes, anything that you have that needs to go there, and an overhead storage bin, which is great for any kind of blow racks or any other loose equipment you need to secure away. Again, I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment here in McKinney, Texas. This is a great truck for your landscape team. If you have any landscape truck needs, please reach out to us. Go to our website. Our number is listed below, and we look forward to working with you.